What's up, guys? Okay, welcome back to my video again. Today, so gonna do something different today. Last 3 weeks, oh fuck, my double chin. Okay, last 3 weeks I dropped off my car at my friend's body workshop to get my Civic EG color change. Okay, so the color that I changed to, I didn't confirm it yet, and then I didn't look it through lah. So it's a surprise for me. So I just told them I want yellow, but a different type of yellow with crystal. So now we're on the way to this garage now, body shop, and later I will show you the first layer of coating is already sprayed done. So now they're gonna do the first coat for the color. So today will be the first look, yellow color, but not this yellow. Not this yellow. No. Not this yellow. Maybe we'll go spoon yellow, but with crystal a bit, so it's gonna be a bit different lah. So I will catch you guys later once I will see the first coat of paint lah. So bye bye. I'm here. First look. Let's see. Dang. Sial. Still this color. Fuck. Okay, never mind. Let's go find our friend. Okay, where's my friend?